So if we're somewhere on the top of a sheet like rows 2, 3, 4, we want to go to a range that's very far below, we're going to have to scroll. But you don't have to scroll anymore. I'm going to show you a few ways how to go to a very specific range. Let's say row 88 on this sheet. So one really quick way is right above A1, there is a name box, and usually you're using this to name a specific cell. If you want to say row 2, A2 to B2, you can rename this first row. However, we don't have to use it for that. We can actually just type in a range here, A88, hit enter, and it's going to go to that range. So if we're not naming ranges, we're using that name box to actually go to the range. But there's another way. You can use Ctrl G, and a little box will pop up here. We're going to go to A121, hit enter. And there we are. We're at range 121. That box, however, is sort of hidden. It's not in the menu bar yet. If we go to Tools, Accessibility, and turn on Screen Reader Support, click OK. Now we have an accessibility menu, which allows us to go to range. And you can see here it says go to range, and then Control G is the keyboard shortcut to go there. But also, if you don't want to use the keyboard shortcut, you want to use your mouse, use this accessibility menu, go to range, same place. So let's go to A88. And there we are, going to that range. Very quick tutorial to show you those sort of 2.5 ways to go to a very specific range. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.